In the dynamic world of project management, the quest for the perfect tool often begins with a fundamental question. Is it free? When that tool is Nifty, a platform lauded for its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, this question takes on even greater significance. As a seasoned project management expert, I'm here to dissect the pricing structure of Nifty, break down its various tiers, and provide a clear understanding of whether it aligns with your project needs and budget. Forget the AI jargon and overly complex explanations. We'll navigate this topic with clarity and simplicity, perfect for anyone looking to learn or write about project management software. The allure of free. Understanding the basics. The term free in the context of software can be enticing, but it often comes with caveats. Think of it like a free sample at a grocery store. It gives you a taste of what's on offer, but the full experience usually requires a purchase. Similarly, many software platforms offer a free plan with limited features or usage, designed to attract users and allow them to experience the basic functionality before committing to a paid subscription. Nifty follows this model. While it doesn't offer a completely unlimited free version for all users and project sizes, it does provide a free forever plan. This plan is specifically tailored for individuals and small teams just starting out or managing very basic projects. It's a fantastic entry point to explore Nifty's core functionalities without any financial commitment. Nifty's Free Forever Plan. What's included? The Free Forever Plan in Nifty is more than just a trial. It's a genuine offering for those with fundamental project management needs. Here's a breakdown of what you can typically expect. Limited number of projects. Usually, the free plan restricts the number of active projects you can manage simultaneously. This is a common limitation as it allows users to get a feel for the platform without overwhelming the system resources. For instance, you might be able to manage 1 or 2 active projects. Limited team members. The number of team members you can invite to collaborate on your projects will also be restricted. This makes sense as the free plan is geared towards smaller teams or individual users. You might find a limit of around 5 team members. Core features. Despite the limitations, the free plan typically includes access to Nifty's essential project management features, such as task management, creating, assigning, and tracking tasks with due dates, priorities, and dependencies. This allows you to organize your work and ensure everyone knows what they need to do. Kanban boards. Visualizing your workflow using customizable boards with columns representing different stages of a project. This provides a clear overview of progress. List views. Organizing tasks in a straightforward list format for easy scanning and management. Discussions. Facilitating communication within the project team through threaded conversations. This keeps all project-related discussions in one place. File sharing. Uploading and sharing project-related documents with your team members. This ensures everyone has access to the necessary information. Basic reporting. Access to fundamental reports that provide insights into project progress. Think of the free plan as a starter kit. It equips you with the essential tools to manage simple projects and collaborate with a small team. It's an excellent way to determine if Nifty's interface and core features align with your workflow before considering a paid upgrade. Beyond free, exploring Nifty's paid plans. As your project management needs evolve and your team grows, the limitations of the free plan might become apparent. This is where Nifty's paid subscription tiers come into play. These plans offer expanded features, higher usage limits, and more advanced functionalities designed to cater to larger teams and more complex projects. While the specific names and features of these plans might evolve over time, here's a general overview of what you can typically expect at different price points. 1. Starter/basic plans. Target audience. Small teams and growing businesses. Key upgrades. Increased number of projects, more team members, expanded storage space for files, and potentially access to more advanced reporting features. Example features: integration with other essential tools like Google Drive or Slack, custom fields for tasks, and more detailed project overviews. 2. Pro/business plans. Target audience. Medium-sized teams and organizations managing multiple complex projects. Key upgrades. Significantly higher limits on projects and team members. Advanced workflow automation. more sophisticated reporting and analytics, and potentially dedicated support. Example features: portfolio management, workload management, time tracking, and the ability to create custom roles and permissions for team members. 3. Enterprise/custom plans. Target audience: large organizations with highly specific needs and a large number of users. Key upgrades: scalable solutions with custom user limits, tailored features, enterprise-level security, dedicated account management, and often the option for custom integrations. Example features: single sign-on, SSO, advanced security protocols, and the ability to integrate Nifty with other enterprise-level systems. The transition to a paid plan unlocks Nifty's full potential. It allows you to manage a greater volume of work, collaborate with larger teams seamlessly, and leverage more advanced features to optimize your project management processes.